In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Beko washing machine. If you want to reset your Beko washing machine, then first you will need to press the start, pause and cancel button in your Beko washing machine about 3 to 5 seconds. So simply press and hold the start, pause and the cancel button of your machine and hold this button about 3 to 5 seconds. Then your machine will be resetted. But the reset is not working for you. You can try the another thing. Press this heavy button. In some machines, this button called the fast plus button. Here you will see the lock symbol. So simply press this lock symbol button. When you press this lock symbol button, then your machine will be unlocked after that. The third thing you can try to unplug your machine. Leave the machine about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, replug your machine and see your problem is fixed or not. If you find your problem is fixed, then it is good for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.